In this module, we will learn about what are polygons. This is a two-sided figure intersecting at one point. It is known as angle. Does it form a polygon? No, as it is not a closed figure. Let us make it a closed figure. Now it has become a triangle. In a triangle, we have 3 sides and 3 vertices, and it is a closed figure. Now look at this figure. It has line segment AB, BC and CA intersecting each other at point A, B and C, which are called vertices. Now I will tell you one important point about it which will help you to find whether the figure is a polygon or not. Now look at this line segment AB. It intersects BC at B and AC at A. Isn't it so? So this line segment AB is intersecting exactly at 2 points which are B and A, and the line segments are BC and CA. AB intersects BC and CA. Now what about the line segment BC? To which other 2 line segments it is intersecting? One is AB and the other one is AC. So BC is intersecting AB and AC, which can also be written as BA and CA. Now the line segment AC intersect the other 2 line segment named as AB and BC. So CA intersects AB and CB. So have you noticed one thing, that in a triangle each line segment intersects exactly 2 other line segments, like BC is intersecting AB and AC. Isn't it so that each line segment intersects exactly 2 other line segments? This is the important point you have to keep in your mind while checking a figure whether it is a polygon or not. Let us see a 5-sided closed figure. It is known as pentagon. Now name the points as A, B, C, D and E as the vertices of this pentagon. Now we will check for the pentagon that each line segment intersects how many other line segments. The line segments are AB, BC, CD, DE and AE. In this figure, the line segment AB intersects BC and AE. The other 2 line segments which it intersects is BC and AE. Now we will see the line segment AE. It intersects AB and ED. So AE intersects AB and ED. That is again 2 line segments. So each line segment intersects exactly 2 other line segments. This is the main property of a polygon that you have to keep in your mind, that a polygon should be a closed figure made up of line segments, and each line segment should intersect exactly 2 points. Now can we have a polygon with 2 sides only? We cannot get a closed figure with just 2 sides or line segments. So it is not possible to have a polygon with 2 sides. Now look at these two figures. One is pentagon and another is triangle. Most of the common shapes are polygon. For example, square is there, rectangle is there, triangle is there, star is again a closed figure, rhombus, hexagon. So we have a chart of many closed figures which are polygons. Now a square is a polygon in which all the sides are equal. For three-sided figure, it is named as equilateral triangle in which all sides are equal. We have regular pentagon, hexagon, octagon, rhombus, many other figures are there in which all the sides are equal, and these are called regular polygons. There are polygons on which sides are different, and these are known as irregular polygons. You can imagine many quadrilateral and many other shapes which are irregular. Is this a polygon? Remember the points which you have to check. It is a closed figure made of line segments only. What is the third property? That a line segment should intersect exactly two other line segments. But here, one line segment is intersecting four line segments. So it is not possible to have this figure as a polygon. Isn't it so? That line segments intersect more than two line segments. So you can easily find out whether a given figure is polygon or not. And this is not a polygon. Are these polygons? No. First one is made of curves and second one is open figure. So these are not polygons. Polygons are closed figures made up of line segments, and the most important property which we are discussing since starting of the module, that each line segment intersects exactly two other line segments, and this is an example of regular polygon, and the second one is an example of an irregular figure, or you can say an irregular polygon.